last time.
Destroyed!
He sounds like a cow.
And now it continues like this.
Oh, yeah. Let's talk to Helena.
Apparently, she thinks she's on the French Riviera. Not really my type, but beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah, look at her and talk to her. Now. Talk to her. Just talk to her.
Hi, it's a good day for the sun thing.
Oh, a diversion. Thank God. I was about to die of boredom. I'm Helena.
What a
Sam,
voice.
Antha, or just Sam is fine too.
You're a student here? You don't look like one.
Of course I am. Are you?
For 2 glorious weeks now. Time of my life.
Huh. What are you studying? First make
What are you
conversation.
Art history, which isn't horrible. I do have an interest in the subject. Antiques mostly, and paintings. That's why Papa sent me here. He said if I was going to spend money, I should at least know what I'm buying.
Gee, sounds rough.
You have no idea. Care for a vodka and soda? I can run up to my room and whip up another one.
Tempting, but no. Maybe later.
Suit yourself.
Where are you from, Helena? You don't sound British.
God, not remotely. I'm from a tiny little country. You wouldn't have heard of it.
I wouldn't have heard of your country.
Trust me.
Oh, so she keeps mysterious?
If you're really bored, why don't you come with me tonight?
To do what?
I'm going to a psych experiment. Pretty amusing, actually. Very Dr. Strangelove.
Not for me. I have plans for this body of mine, and no doctor's going to get his greedy little hands on it.
It's just a psych thing. I'm sure Dr. Styles won't do any permanent damage.
I'm not interested.
I take it you don't like Oxford.
God, no. Papa insisted. He thinks I can't possibly get into trouble here. Well, I thought I'd show him. But now that I'm here, I think he might actually be right. What a pedestrian snore. You look like someone who knows how to party. Where do you go?
Haven't found much of a scene yet. Mostly pubs with fish and chips. A snore like you... What is it?
Well, the one thing that can be said about Oxford is it has some delicious men. That is the plat de resistance.
Nice.
Wow, was it
Nice.
French?
Darling, that prime specimen is Charles Ettington. I've tried to talk to him a few times, but he's mortally shy. I think he might even be a virgin.
You think? Charles Eddington will be at this experiment I'm going to tonight.
You're lying.
Not.
Why would he be in this psych experiment?
I don't know. Maybe he needs money. Or maybe he's interested in neurobiology. You'd have to ask him.
I doubt Charles Ettington needs money. In fact, I don't believe you even know him.
We'll see about that, won't we?
Okay. Oh, here's the mouth. And here's Charles Eddington.
Mind if I hang around? I was supposed to meet a friend here.
Well,
Homer's Iliad. The letter on top is from Gertrude Eddington. I bet that's his mother. I see you're reading the Iliad. The Iliad and the Odyssey are my favorite ones.
you've read the Iliad.
Yeah, but I like the Odyssey best. I love the gods and their infighting. Total soap opera. But my favorite part is where Odysseus comes home and Penelope has all those suitors, and you're just waiting for him to kick some serious tail.
My favourite part is the Cyclops. I like the way they tie themselves under the sheet to escape.
I love that part. Can you believe those were the first novels ever written? And Homer still beats the crap out of anything Hollywood has put out, in my humble opinion.
Absolutely. What's even more amazing is that he recited it from memory. Can you imagine hearing him do that?
That would be amazing. Wow.
Cyclops story is the worst one, I
better
think.
get back to it.
Don't like this part.
Did you get mail from home? Sorry. It's just that I've been expecting a letter from my mom for days. I'm beginning to think.
Gosh.
Listen, there's something you might be interested in. It's not for everyone, but since you like Homer, I've gotten into a psych experiment that's being done by one of the Oxford neurobiologists. It's really fascinating, and it pays cash.
That would be interesting. But I'd need to check with my mum. She calls me on Saturdays. I could talk to her about it then.
But this starts tonight.
Then I can't. I couldn't do something like that without talking to her. Anyway, I'm sure they'll do it again.
Oh no! Dr. Styles is a really famous neurobiologist, and he almost never does this kind of thing. Oh, it will be so educational. I'm sure your mother would love for you to have an experience like this. That's what she sent you here for, isn't it?
I can't without talking to her, sorry.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
What kind of
No
person
big
is he?
deal.
Hey, do some magic on
This
him.
one is tough. I'll have to find a really good trick.
Oh, okay. I think it has something to do with his mail from his mommy. I just look at this. This is a great gag to pull on a friend and has the advantage of being easy to perform and explosively effective. The key is having access to a friend or family member's pile of unopened mail. Ooh! First you need that unopened mail. If you need to take it in front of the subject, a simple misdirect while you take the letter in your left hand and then vanish it up your left sleeve. It will work. Hold the seal flap over steam for about 20 seconds. You can now open the flap without damaging it. Replace or doctor the contents of the envelope as desired. For example, a letter from a boyfriend or girlfriend can be replaced with a single page that says "Get lost." Place your fake contents in the envelope. If still damp, the envelope will reseal itself. Okay.
I can only set up the first part of the trick to get the letter for now.
Okay. Okay. Maybe this one? Okay, I have to look it up again. First you need to unopen mail. If you need to take it misdirect while you take the letter in your left hand and vanishing up in your left hand and vanishing this way. Seriously. It doesn't matter if it
Well, you know
vanishes.
what they say. Fluffy white clouds means it's a beautiful day to fly a kite.
I don't see any kites.
It's just an expression. See you later, Homer.
It doesn't matter if you have it in the left hand or right hand. Seriously. Let's go back to Oxford, because we can remember the steam. Steam.
I'll need to find something to help me open this. without it
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
like
blah
I
blah
look-
blah blah. Just put it here in the steam.
Ouch! Hot! Charles's mother certainly is involved. Must be nice to have someone who actually gives a crap. Convenient of her to include a health fair flyer. That works.
Oh, let's read. Darling Charles, everything has been so quiet. How do I do this? This one? This one.
Now I can seal it and it's ready to go.
Okay. Perfect. Back to Edmonds Hall.